The Samsung Galaxy A56 is here and it promises major upgrades in performance, design, and charging speed. But does it do enough to justify upgrading from the Galaxy A55? Or should you just save your money and stick with last year's model? Let's break it all down. Samsung officially announced the Galaxy A56 on March 1st, 2025, and it hit shelves on March 19th. Pricing starts at £459 for the 128GB model and £499 for the 256GB variant. The Galaxy A55, which launched in March 2024, is now significantly cheaper. You can grab the 128GB version for £364 or the 256GB model for £414, a solid £75 discount from the original price. So, does the A56 offer enough improvements to justify the higher cost? Let's compare the two. The Galaxy A56 introduces some subtle but meaningful design changes. It's slimmer, lighter, and has a slightly larger screen. The A56 is thinner and lighter than its predecessor with a more prominent camera bump. Samsung also reduced the bezels, allowing the display to grow from 6.6 inches to 6.7 inches. These changes make the phone feel more premium and refined. Both phones feature a triple camera setup on the back: 50-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, 5-megapixel macro sensor. Unfortunately, Samsung stuck with the 5-megapixel macro lens instead of upgrading to a telephoto sensor, which would have been more useful. The biggest difference? The selfie camera. A 55 32-megapixel front camera, a 56 12-megapixel front camera. A downgrade? Not necessarily. Megapixels don't always determine quality, so we'll need to test the A56's selfie performance before making any final judgments. Samsung has upgraded the chipset in the A56 for better performance and AI features. A56 Exynos 1580, A55 Exynos 1480. Samsung claims the new chip offers 18% faster, CPU speed 17% faster, GPU performance 12% better. AI processing. Speaking of AI, the A56 introduces Samsung's new Awesome Intelligence, which brings select Galaxy AI features like Circle to Search, AI-powered video editing, and an upgraded object eraser. Both phones pack a 5,000 mAh battery, but the A56 supports significantly faster charging. A56, 45-watt fast charging, same as the Galaxy S25 Ultra. A55, 25-watt fast charging. With the A55, a full charge took about 83 minutes. The A56 should cut that time down drastically, though we'll need to run tests to confirm Samsung's claims. After spending time with the Galaxy A56, here's what stands out. Slimmer, more refined design, slimmer bezels and slightly larger display, faster processor with AI features, 45-watt charging, a game changer. However, the similarities with the A55 can't be ignored. The same rear camera setup, the potential downgrade in selfie quality, and the increased price might make some users think twice before upgrading. So, should you upgrade? If you own an A55 and it's working fine, you might not need to rush. But if you're coming from an older model or need better performance, the A56 is a solid choice. Let me know in the comments, will you upgrade to the Galaxy A56 or stick with the A55? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates.